Okay, this is the app. We're testing the 6 colors. 6 quizzers.
Red 2. Interruption.
Then I click next.
Red 3.
That means the player, student, or contestant number 3 clicked. And he says correct, we call it.
That is correct.
He got it incorrect, we call it.
Sorry, that is incorrect.
To move on to next one, we click next.
Red 1. Interruption.
He got it incorrect. We click next and reread it.
The interrupted question will be reread without the benefit of interruption. Yellow 1. Sorry, that is incorrect. Yellow 2. That is correct. Yellow 3.
And at the end of the timer makes a sound like this.
Time.
If someone contests, a timer will appear.
Contest 60 seconds.
Or if they have to make a foul, you can click on foul, F.
Foul.
Just click on
Yellow 3.
And finally, when someone wins, gets 6 correct answers, you click on quiz out.
Congratulations! That was your 6th correct answer.
You can also go to settings and you click on the question mark, and then you click on the sound mark and you can put Victor's voice. Then just go back and now you can hear him.
Red 2.
Or
Red 3.
you can also, he has it on.
Yellow 1. Interruption.
And that's about it. To exit,